Temperatures reached 95 again today, tying for the hottest day of the year, tying yesterday and July 26th. We're a little cooler as of right now, middle 80s to low 90s currently across the state line. You factor in the humidity, still feels like the upper 90s in a few spots. So overall, though, a stuffy evening ahead. We're a little warm here, but look off towards Lake Michigan, down to 75 in Waukegan, and we had some of that cooler air make its way westward throughout the course of the afternoon. It's all thanks to a lake breeze. This pops up a lot during the summer, but on these hot days, sometimes we can get that lake breeze well inland. So what happens is over the land, the air heats up a lot faster than over the cool lake air, resulting in an artificial area of low pressure. That also forms high pressure over the lake, and eventually that cooler air from the lake gets drawn in by that high pressure, creating a bit of a cold front. Sometimes you can get even thunderstorms forming along that front, but overall, that's generally why we see that cooler temperature popping up right along Lake Michigan. Again, sometimes it moves as far inland as Rockford, resulting in a slight cool down or a slight change in temperatures, all thanks to that easterly breeze coming in from the lake breeze. We're pretty quiet and dry on radar. The sky, though, looking a lot hazier over the last couple days, and especially today. It's all thanks to large wildfires burning out west, especially in California. All that smoke gets a ride on the jet stream and floats across the nation. It does spread out some, but we're still looking at a lot of haze as a result of that smoke overhead, and it's going to continue for a little while. You can see in the forecast we do have that hazy sky through tomorrow. Then by tomorrow night, it starts to lift northward a ways thanks to the jet stream also moving in that direction. So Thursday could be a little clearer. We also have plenty of sinking air as the leftovers of Hurricane Laura moves in, and that again could cause that sinking air to wash out the smoke a little. It could be back slightly on Friday as a cold front comes through, then crystal clear air expected by the weekend. So today, likely the haziest, and then varying levels of haze throughout the rest of this week. But again, by this weekend, we have cooler air washing that smoke out of the sky, resulting in clear conditions. As we look towards what could occur tonight, though, a brilliant sunset may be ahead as the light passes through the atmosphere with the setting sun. It goes through that smoke and scatters more, and scattered light results in a lot more colors. So if you happen to see a brilliant sunset, send it on over to us, weather at WREX.com, if you want to email it or check out our Facebook pages. Other impacts, not really looking at much. Thankfully, that smoke will only result in moderate air conditions. So you're really not going to notice a thing with that smoke lofting up in the air for tomorrow. And you may be sneezing just a little more as a result of high levels of pollen as well as mold in the air. Later on tonight, down to 70 for an overnight low under a mainly clear sky. Tomorrow up to 96. Could be the hottest of the year by 1 degree. 7-day forecast has cooler conditions by Friday. Then we're down into the 70s as we head into the weekend. A big difference coming, James and Kristen.
A little bit of everything there, Alex. Thanks.